in,
Yo puedo
and I can
entrar,
use an elbow.
puedo usar un codo.
Why do I use an elbow
¿Por qué usando un codo?
or a knee?
Hi, I'm Tim Bulott and welcome to weaponsacademy.com. So we just finished up this specialized skills and tactics course. It's a 1 week long course. It runs about 60 to 70 hours and it's geared towards security contractors and individuals that work in high threat environments. Most of them work overseas in zones generally where kidnapping and extortion and things of that nature, crimes of that nature, are very probable. Okay, so it involves a lot of tactical skills for security operators, but we also work in topics on tactical medicine. So we have Terry Green that comes in. Senior Chief Green is retired from the U.S. Navy and he handles all of our TAC Med topics here at Weapons Academy, and we give them 3 to 4 hours of intensive training, primarily focused on tourniquet application, wound packing, and bleeding control. And nobody delivers this class like Chief Green does. So we put together this video, mainly some highlights for the students, but for you, the viewer, to see inside, take a look inside of what goes on behind the scenes in one of our courses, one of our tactical courses. And if you're interested in some training like this, get in contact with us. We're looking at implementing and inserting more just short topics of this into our regular classes, as well as our 2-day emergency care under fire class it's coming up. So let's turn it over to Chief Green at this point, and let's take a look at the students as they practice their newly learned skills.
Back.
En el cuello.
Things that are not life-threatening.
Cosas que
For other wounds.
para mirar un poco más profundamente.
Take the time to deal with the bleeders up in the
Podemos
axilla.
tomar tiempo para los sangrados en la
Down the
axila,
neck.
en el cuello.
This is a learning point.
Este es un buen punto para
Vamos a
aprender.
estar preparados para dejar para otra amenaza.
So if you're still making this, you think they're good, let me know.
Nope, one more.
One more. Good. Let it break down. It's already slower. Okay, so I don't want to hurt you, but see how I can saw that up into place?
It's a alcohol.
I'm gonna get, as I wrap it, I'm gonna come first to one side. You'll probably have to do one more twist.
Hold it up.